Hi everyone, welcome to Candlelight's Basic English Grammar class. We have been discussing about different types of verbs. We have already seen two of them. Today in this video, we are going to discuss next two types, regular verbs and irregular verbs. In this topic, we are going to see what are regular and irregular verbs, how to form these verbs, and what are the differences between regular and irregular verbs. In the previous lesson, we have learned that a verb has three main forms: present form, past form, and past participle form. Because verbs change as per tense. If you want to revise this topic again, please check the description box below. Then only we can easily understand regular and irregular verbs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Regular and irregular verbs. We have already known that a verb has three main forms: present form, past form, and past participle form. Let's see some examples. First one, walk. Walk, walked, walked. Second one, dance. Dance, danced, danced. Third one, cry. Cry, cried, cried. From these, we can understand that there is a typical pattern to form its second and third form. First one, walk. Just adding ed to the root form, we get second and third form. Next, dance. Here, just adding d, we get second and third form. Third one, cry. Just adding ied, we get second and third form. So the verbs which follows a typical pattern to get its second and third form are called regular verbs. So regular verb is any verb whose conjugation follows the typical pattern to get its second and third form. Let's see some other examples. Eat. Eat, ate, eaten. Let. Let, let. Come. Come, came, come. We can understand that there is not any fixed pattern to get its second and third form in these examples. So these verbs are called irregular verbs. In short, an irregular verb is any verb whose conjugation follows no fixed pattern to get its second and third form. There is no need of any confusion by this word conjugation. Let me explain what is verb conjugation. Verb conjugation refers to how a verb changes to show person, number and tense. അതായത് ഒരു വെർബിന് ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന ചേഞ്ചസ് എപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ സബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ പേഴ്സൺ വൈസ്, അതായത് ഫസ്റ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ, സെക്കൻഡ് പേഴ്സൺ, തേർഡ് പേഴ്സൺ എന്നതിനെ അടിസ്ഥാനപ്പെടുത്തി വെർബിനുണ്ടാകുന്ന ചേഞ്ചസ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ നമ്പർ സിംഗുലർ ആണോ പ്ലൂറൽ ആണോ എന്നതിനെ അടിസ്ഥാനപ്പെടുത്തി വെർബിനുണ്ടാകുന്ന ചേഞ്ചസ്, അതുമല്ലെങ്കിൽ ടെൻസ് മുഖാന്തിരം വെർബിനുണ്ടാകുന്ന ചേഞ്ചസ്. ഈ ചേഞ്ചസിനെയാണ് വെർബ് കോൺജുഗേഷൻ എന്നതുകൊണ്ട് സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിൽ നിന്നും റെഗുലർ വെർബ്സും ഇറഗുലർ വെർബ്സും എന്താണ് എന്നതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഏകദേശ രൂപം നമുക്ക് കിട്ടി. Now we are going to focus on regular verbs. To get second and third form from a regular verb, we just need to add d or ed or ied to the root form. We are going to see the examples for verbs from which we get second and third form by adding d. Dance. Dance, danced, danced. Decide. Decided, decided. Smile. Smile, smile, smiled. Now we are going to see examples for the verb from which we get second and third form by adding ed. Talk. Talk, talked, talked. Walk. Walk, walked, walked. Work. Work, worked, worked. Next one, examples for the verbs from which we get second and third form by adding IED to its root form. Cry, cried, cried. Try, tried, tried, tried. Carry, carry, carried, carried. So these are all about regular verbs. Now we are going to focus on irregular verbs. We knew that irregular verb is any verb whose conjugation follows no fixed pattern to get its past form and past participle form. Anyway, irregular verbs are divided into 4 groups. Let's see the first group. In the first group of irregular verbs, 3 forms are same. For example, cut, 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 cut. Set, 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 set. Coast, 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 coast. In the second group of irregular verbs, past and past participle forms are same. For example, buy, buy, bought, bought. Sell, sell, sold, sold. Teach, teach, taught, taught. In the third group of irregular verbs, present and past participle forms are same. For example, come, come, came, come. Run, run, ran, run. Become, become, became, become. In the fourth group of irregular verbs, all 3 forms are different. For example, go, go, went, gone. Where, wore, worn. Give, give, gave, given. So we have seen what are regular verbs and irregular verbs, how to create different forms of regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now we are going to see what are the main differences between regular verbs and irregular verbs. The main difference is regular verb follows a typical pattern to get its past and past participle forms. But irregular verbs follows no fixed pattern to get its past and past participle form. In other words, irregular verbs has their own special rules or different patterns to create past and past participle form. Second difference is a regular verb's past form and past participle forms are always identical. But irregular verbs may sometimes have a different or similar past and past participle forms. And the third one is there is a majority of regular verbs. Compared to regular verbs, there are not many irregular verbs. So these are all about regular verbs and irregular verbs. If you think that this video is informative, please feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.